Welcome back, fellow tech enthusiasts, to another exciting unboxing adventure here on the Tools Guys. Today, we're diving into the world of electric mobility with a brand new addition to our lineup, DYU C1 City Electric Bike. That's right, we've got our hands on the latest innovation in urban transportation, and I couldn't be more thrilled to share it with you. We're unboxing something truly special. If you're all about zipping through city streets in style, then you're in for a treat. So without further ado, let's crack open this box and see what's inside. Look at this packaging. They really know how to protect their precious cargo. It's like unwrapping a present on Christmas morning, except this present is all about futuristic rides and cutting-edge design. Alright, we've got our hands on the stunning midnight gray variant, and let me tell you, the finishing on this thing is absolutely jaw-dropping. It's sleek, it's stylish, and it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. From the frame to the handlebars, every inch of this e-bike exudes quality craftsmanship. Now let's see what else we've got in the box to help us get this e-bike up and running. We've got the essentials right here. The charger, the user manual, and even a handy toolkit for any adjustments we might need to make along the way. Let's take a moment to appreciate one of the often overlooked yet crucial features of this e-bike, the kickstand. With just a flick of the foot, you can deploy the kickstand and park your e-bike with confidence. Setting up the front and rear fenders is a breeze, thanks to the intuitive design and easy-to-follow instructions. With their sleek design and durable construction, they not only add a touch of style to your e-bike, but also provide essential protection from mud, water, and road debris. Now, let's shed some light on another fantastic feature included with this e-bike, the integrated headlight. Safety is paramount when it comes to urban cycling, and having a reliable headlight can make all the difference, especially during those early morning commutes or late night rides. Behold, the integrated headlight. Mounted discreetly onto the front wheel fender, this powerful LED light ensures that you're always visible to other road users and able to navigate with confidence, even in low light conditions. Setting up the pedals is a breeze, thanks to the universal design and sturdy construction. Whether you're a casual rider or a seasoned cyclist, these pedals are sure to provide a comfortable and secure grip, mile after mile. Crafted from high-quality materials and designed with the needs of adult riders in mind, these pedals are the perfect combination of durability, performance, and style. Now, it's time to unveil the heart and soul of this e-bike, the 36-volt lithium-ion battery. With a capacity of 36 volts and 10 amp-hours, this powerhouse delivers a maximum power output of 500 watts, providing the juice needed to propel you up to 65 kilometers on a single charge. Installing the battery is a breeze, thanks to its sleek in-frame design. Not only does it add to the e-bike's futuristic aesthetic, but it also ensures optimal weight distribution for a smooth and balanced ride. But that's not all. The best part about this lithium-ion battery? It's removable. You can easily take it out and charge it at any place at your convenience. No more searching for a charging station. Simply pop out the battery and juice up wherever you are. Its built-in battery safety feature gives you the peace of mind. With the key lock, you can secure the battery in place and rest easy knowing that it's protected from theft. It's just another example of the thoughtful design and attention to detail. Now let's dive into the final step of our assembly process, connecting the wires. It may seem daunting at first, but fear not, because DYU has made it as easy as connecting the dots. Each wire comes color-coded, making it a breeze to match and ensuring a seamless setup without the risk of short circuits or damage. With its neatly organized array of color-coded wires, it's like a Technicolor roadmap to e-bike bliss. No more guessing games or tangled messes, just plug and play, and you're good to go. Stay informed and in control with the LCD display, providing real-time feedback on power, speed, and current gear, as well as error code detection for added peace of mind. The battery charges up pretty fast, usually takes about 4 to 6 hours. And you can charge it up using different outlets, like the regular ones you have at home. The voltage it needs is around 42 volts, which is pretty standard. And lastly, It is equipped with a Shimano 7-speed transmission. It offers unparalleled versatility and precision, allowing you to effortlessly tackle varied terrain with ease. Coupled with a thumb-wheel throttle for intuitive control, this e-bike puts you in the driver's seat of your journey. I have put the link of this e-bike in the video description. You can check out their website for more information. So here we finish the setting up. I will be back soon with its on-road experience. Until then, stay with the tools, guys.